Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now on our fourth game. This Sunday, it's the UNC Greyhounds versus the ACLC Hawks. At napakagandang laban po yung napanood natin kanina versus the NCF Tigers versus the Annunciation Panthers. At ngayon naman, titingnan natin kung ano nga ba yung magiging laro ditong ating UNC Greyhounds and ACLC Hawks. And of course, kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Mark Amante para maghatid po sa inyo ng napakagandang aksyon ngayong araw na ito.
Magandang hapon po sa ating mga viewers and most especially dito sa mga audiences natin dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Talaga namang napakaganda ng laro kanina ng NCF Tiger Cubs at ng kanilang kalaban na Annunciation Panthers na nagdikit pa nga yung laban at inaakala natin na abutin pa ng isang overtime pero nakamit ng NCF Tiger Cubs ang kampyonato. Sweep! Wala pang talo itong NCF Tiger Cubs. And for this afternoon, matutunghayan natin ang laban ng ACLC at ng UNC team.
Ayan nga, kung makikita mo nga dito, Mark, sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium, andyan na naman yung mga supporters ng ACLC Hawks na simula nung first day ng ating Bucal Season 6, andyan na sila nakasuporta sa ating ACLC Hawks. And of course, ang ating UNC Greyhounds na talaga namang grabe din yung ibinibigay na suporta para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. At ngayong hapon po, abangan niyo po dahil magandang laban ulit ang aming hihahatid sa inyo dahil live na live po tayo sa ating mga Facebook pages. We have the Bucal, Oragon Sports TV, and One Media TV 48 Naga. Kaya tutok lamang po at sa mga team bahay, comment down below dahil babasahin po natin ang inyong mga comments.
At for sure, yung mga wala dito sa ADNU Gymnasium, posibleng nanonood sa atin online on our Facebook page and or on our YouTube channel. And for sure, na ready na ang ating courtside reporter sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Yan, we have Precious on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Let's hear it.
Thank you, Mark and Tien. This is once again the Sports League of Creating Champions. Marahay na aga, Bicolanja. Muling nagbabalik sa hardcourt ng Ateneo Gymnasium upang may pamalas ang angking determinasyon at husay this season. Buckle up and stay tuned to know who will reign supreme between the ACLC Hawks versus the UNC Greyhounds. This is Precious Garcia, courtside correspondent all the way from the bench of UNC Greyhounds. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious, for that update sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. For sure na ready na ang ating mga players sa side na yan. And on the other hand, let's have an update sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. We have our courtside reporter there, Zai, what's the update there?
Hi, sorry afternoon to our viewers here on One Media TV 48 Naga, Bucal's Facebook page, and Oragon Sports TV. This is your courtside reporter reporting live from the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. At ngayong araw matutuklasan natin ang battle between the UNC Greyhounds and the ACLC Hawks. Kaya nga, it's a very exciting game and it feels good to be back dito sa ating home court after the long Pedia French break. Kaya nung pang hinihintay natin, let's all hope for the best and cheer on our ACLC Hawks. And don't forget to share this live and mention your favorite teams for today's game. That's all I have for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Yan, excited na nga tayo sa matchup ng ating ACLC Hawks at UNC Greyhounds. At para sa kaalaman po ng lahat, itong ating UNC Greyhounds ay wala pa pong panalo throughout this Bucal Season 6. Kaya naman, kung makukuha man nila yung kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito, this will be their first win. Kaya naman talagang determinado makuha nitong ating UNC Greyhounds yung panalo against the ACLC Hawks. While on the other side, the ACLC Hawks, isa pa lamang po yung talo na meron sila. Kaya talagang ibibigay nila yung lahat para makuha din yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito.
And at this moment, nagsimula ng ating first quarter at pinaulanan agad tayo ng 2 points ng UNC Greyhounds now. Ball possession ng ating ACLC Hawks, but a traveling violation was committed by jersey number 2 of the ACLC Hawks.
Now, the UNC is on the run. Maganda yung simula ng first quarter para sa kanila dito. Now, Sandre is down here.
Alam mo,
ball
Tin,
will go on the side.
unang quarter pa lang nagiging intense na agad ang laban ng ACLC at UNC. And kitang-kita din yan sa mga audiences natin dito sa ADNU Gymnasium. And for sure, doon din sa mga nanonood sa atin via live stream ng ating game, ng ating match this afternoon.
Yes, now Basagre to inbound on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 2-0, nothing run pa po tayo dito sa ating first quarter. Now, 20 seconds to shoot here for the side of the ACLC Hawks. Basagre, passes to jersey number 10 now. Hindi ka na mawala yung bola sa side ng ACLC now. Pero stepping on the line para dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks. So a turnover para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball. Ano kayang gagawin na tactics at techniques ng ating UNC Greyhounds para mapasakamay nila ang unang panalo dito sa Season 6 ng Bucal? Jersey number 23, sinusuong pero stepping on the line.
Now, ACLC Hawks still struggling to get a point here for our first quarter. Now, jersey number 5 now with 17 seconds to shoot here. Pass to Basagre. Now, jersey number 10 tries for a tip 3. No good. Now, rebound on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, nagmamadali. Sinuong ang depensa ng ACLC.
ACLC ngayon nagmamadali, Mark. Kasi at the moment, wala pa rin silang putos at nahihirapan pa sila dito dahil doon sa height advantage ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Kung makikita mo talaga naman, itong ating UNC Greyhounds kapag nasa baba, mahihirapan talaga itong ating ACLC. We can see as we continue this first quarter, it's the UNC's basketball.
Medyo mahaba pa naman din ang oras natin. We have 7 minutes and 47 on our clock. 2-0 pa rin po ang ating score. Lamang ng 2 puntos ang ating UNC Greyhounds now. They have 3 seconds to shoot. Now, ACLC's ball. Libreng-libre pero napituhan ng ating referee. At magkakaroon ng 2 free throw shot ang isang player ng ating ACLC Hawks.
Basagre now on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Now chance for the ACLC na makakuha ng putos, and that's good for the first attempt of Basagre. 7 minutes and 30 seconds sa ating first quarter. Up until now, napakababa pa rin yung ating score dahil nga grabe yung depensa na pinapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Now Basagre, second attempt, that's good.
That's
now
good.
we are tied on 2.
Now, UNC's basketball. Let's see kung anong gagawin ng ating UNC Greyhounds para mas lalo makalamang dito sa ACLC Hawks. Ngunit, medyo na hindi na-handle ng maayos ni jersey number 16 yung bola. Now, ACLC's basketball.
Now jersey number 5 passes now to the team captain here. Pero a turnover again here para sa ACLC Hawks. Now chance for the UNC Greyhounds to continue their momentum here.
Medyo nagkakaproblema ngayon yung dalawang team sa communication kung paano nila ipapasa yung bola. Now, depensa ng ACLC but traveling violation again ang ipinataw sa isang player ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now, with the pass of the ACLC Hawks, talagang they are determined to play here. Now, jersey number 10 with 13 seconds to shoot here. Basagre passes now to jersey number 5. Back to Basagre, now going inside. Pass it, no good.
No good on that. Now, back-to-back steal ang nangyayari on this game, and that's good for the ACLC Hawks.
Yan na, Mark, and because of that, napatawag ng timeout itong ating ACLC Hawks.
Steal ang nangyayari on this game, and that's good for the ACLC Hawks.
Tumawag ng timeout. And nagsisimula pa lang tayo, Mark, pero napakaganda na agad nung ipinapakita dito at nahihirapan nga itong ating dalawang kupunan na makapuntos because of the defense na ipinapakita din nitong ating dalawang kupunan. Kaya medyo mahihirapan itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito to convert a point dito sa ating first quarter. And because of that, we only have 6 minutes and 36 seconds remaining.
Kaya let's see sa pagpapatuloy ng ating laro kung anong bagong technique or tactics ang gagawin nitong dalawang kupunan para magkaroon ng point advantage dito sa ating first quarter, because as of the moment, we have a score of 4-2. 2-point lead po ang ating ACLC Hawks.
Kaya Mark, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. Salamat sa Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café at NCF Training Pool. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa ating mga generous sponsors. Pasalamatan din natin ang iba pa nating mga sponsors, NCF Indoor Firing Range. This live coverage is powered by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, Duty Free Philippine Shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, USI, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1, and Department of Agriculture, Bicol.
Ayan, Mark, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors. And of course, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating live viewers ngayon. Shoutout kay Jameson Brenya, John Gonzalez, Kim Monteroso, RJ Ribidorial, Irene Toso, kay James Angelo Gabarda, at kay Marniana Benido. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtatabay ngayong hapon po ito.
And now we're back to the ball game.
Foul here from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Pushing foul, yung foul dito kay jersey number 2. Now it's still the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks now. Jersey number 5 now to inbound with 13 seconds to shoot here. Basagre. Passes now to jersey number 5. Basagre ngayon. What will he do? Going inside with that guard na nasa baba nitong ating UNC Greyhounds, pero hindi alintana para dito kay Basagre para pumasok at makakuha ng puntos.
Ang ganda nung puntos na yon na ginawa na isang player mula sa ACLC Hawks. Sinuong niya yung depensa ng UNC Greyhounds, and now at this moment, we have jersey number 18 on the free throw line from the UNC Greyhounds because of the foul committed by a player ng ACLC Hawks.
Now for the second attempt on the free throw line here for the jersey number 13 of the UNC Greyhounds, or 18 rather.
Now ball possession ng ating ACLC Hawks. Let's see kung susuungin ba ulit ng ACLC Hawks ang depensa ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Ngunit, there's a miscommunication out there. Now, UNC's basketball.
Now, jersey number 23 passes now here for his teammate. 13 seconds to shoot for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Passes on the corner. Set. So another turnover. And a chance for the ACLC Hawks para mas makuha yung kalamangan nila ngayong hapon na ito.
Medyo kailangang bawasan ng both teams yung mga turnovers na nangyayari as of this moment. For them to advance a point on this quarter. Now UNC's basketball nagmamadali pero napasobra ang hagis ng bola. Now, turnover again.
Now it's the ACLC's basketball. We are now on the 5-minute mark. Halfway through our first quarter here. 3-6 pa rin po yung puntos na nagagawa dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. Now, Basagre.
Now, UNC's basketball. And a steal from our ACLC Hawks for that 2 points. Courtesy of jersey number 20. Wow. Ayaw magpatinag nitong ACLC Hawks for this quarter. Pero let's see. We are starting. Wala pa tayo sa momentum ng larong ito. We have 8-3 on our scoreboard. Lamang po ng 5 puntos ang ating ACLC Hawks.
Now 11 seconds to shoot for the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now team captain Guarin will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 6-8 on our scoreboard.
Medyo nakakaungos ng konti ang ating UNC Greyhounds in this quarter. That's good.
Now UNC with the ball. Hermosa to inbound. The passes, a steal from the side of the ACLC Hawks. No good.
No good. That's good for the second time, Tin.
Good point coming from Razon. Now Hermosa. Another steal from the ACLC Hawks. No good. Now Guarin nakikipagagawa ng bola. The ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now UNC's basketball.
Guarin and Kurupat. Having that commotion there now. Hermosa. With the ball. Pass now. Pero that's traveling
violation.
committed by Alano.
Now ACLC's basketball. Sandigan holding the ball. Sandigan naghahanap ng kakampi pero a steal from our UNC Greyhounds.
Now jersey number 0, Alano. Passes now here. Jersey number 7, a 3-pointer coming from Lumberio. With that, 2 puntos na lamang hinahabol dito ng UNC Greyhounds.
Now ACLC's basketball. Sandigan to Lagundi. Lagundi for 3. No good. No good. That's good. That's courtesy of jersey number 6 on Tolan of the ACLC Hawks. 39 na po ang ating nasa scoreboard. On Tolan again for that 2-point shot. Grabe ang pinapakitang determination ng ating ACLC Hawks again. Another steal. No good.
Now Hermosa without rebound. What will the UNC do right now? 6-point lead coming from the ACLC Hawks. Now jersey number 7 now with the ball. Passes to Hermosa. 10 seconds to shoot here. Hermosa ngayon nakahanap dito na mapapasahan. Alano going inside. That's good. Basket counts with a foul. We only have 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Napakabilis lang ng ating transition dito sa ating first quarter. 11-15 na 4 na puntos ang kalamangan ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks.
Now, what will be the strategy of this UNC Greyhounds for them to ace this game? No good.
For Alano, pero offensive rebound, that's good. Na naibaba na nga sa 2 ang kalamangan dito ng ating ACLC Hawks.
Now, Sandigan holding the ball. Passes to jersey number 2. That's a good 3. Courtesy of Lagundi of the ACLC Hawks. And a steal. Sandigan for that too. Sorry, it's Razon, jersey number 10 of the ACLC Hawks.
Now, fast-paced basketball, jersey number 17, Samurin, getting that basket for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, ACLC's basketball again. On Tolan, passes to Sandigan. Passes to Lagundi. Grabe yung depensa ng UNC Greyhounds, no, Tin?
Yes. Now, medyo nahihirapan itong ating ACLC Hawks. Lagundi on the inside, no good. Offensive rebound pa rin dito. Jersey number 6, passes to Sandigan. Sandigan ngayon with 1 second to shoot. Lagundi again.
No good. Now, UNC's basketball. But, mabibigyan ng 2 free throws ang ating UNC Greyhounds because of a foul committed by a player of the ACLC Hawks. We have jersey number 17, Samurin, on the free throw line. We are in the first quarter pa lang pero grabe na agad yung intense, yung determination ng bawat player dito sa hard court natin sa ADNU Gymnasium.
Now, Samurin on his second attempt on the free throw line. Not good. Now, it's the ACLC's basketball. Last 23 seconds of our first quarter. 16-20. Apat na puntos yung hawak nila dito.
Now, Buhay. Buhay passes to Ontolan and passes to Lagundi. Going back to Ontolan. Naghahanap for the 3. No good on that.
Now, chance here for the UNC Greyhounds with only 1 second to shoot here. Jersey number 16. Na, para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. 16-20. 4-point lead coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks. And we will be back for more action sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now back here at the ADNU Gymnasium para sa tapatang ACLC Hawks at UNC Greyhounds. We are on the second quarter at iniwan natin din ang first quarter na may score na 20-16. 4-point lead ang hawak ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, tanong natin, anong gagawin na strategy nitong UNC Greyhounds para makahabol dito sa ating ACLC Hawks?
Now, it's the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Martinez now with the ball. Pascal with a foul here. That's a good play coming from the UNC players. 18-20. Now, a bonus free throw was given to Martinez here for a 3-point opportunity. Good. Yes, Mark, good opening para dito sa ating second quarter. At isa na lamang po ang hinahabol dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
And yan yung dapat iwasan ng ACLC Hawks for have many fouls within the game para mas makalamang sila dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now,
you can see Razon was fouled here. He will go beyond the free throw line for 2 shots. And a chance here para sa ACLC Hawks na madagdagan yung kalamangan na hawak nila against the UNC Greyhounds. And yun nga, Mark, napakaganda nung pagsimula dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks kahit medyo nahirapan tayo doon sa mga unang minuto ng ating first quarter dahil nga doon sa defense na ipinapakita dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Pero talagang nagawan ng paraan at nakuha nga yung kanilang kalamangan against the UNC Greyhounds. At para makinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACLC Hawks, let's hear it from Zai. Hi Zai, any updates?
Mark and Tin, based nga sa observations, medyo kinakapos nga sa movements dito sa side ng Hawks. Based on their gameplay, it seems like they have to increase their agility and work on their ball screen. They're currently committing a lot of turnovers and rebounds. Yeah, they're planning to increase their focus on guarding and defending. Let's see how the second quarter turns out between the battle of these two wonderful teams. That's all I have for now. Back to the fan.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Tama si Zai. They must double their effort in defending their winning moment here at para makalamang dito sa UNC Greyhounds because as of this moment, Tin, we are locked to 21 sa ating scoreboard.
Ayan nga, Mark, at para marinig din natin yung update from the side of the UNC Greyhounds dahil napakaganda na naging transition nila dito sa ating second quarter. Let's hear it from Precious. Hi, Precious. Update natin dyan.
Thank you, Mark and Tin. At ayun na nga, nasa second quarter pa lang tayo, pero ramdam na ramdam ang mainit na labanan sa dalawang kumpanan ni ACLC Hawks versus the UNC Greyhounds. The UNC Greyhounds remains resilient to protect their basket. The team was reminded to communicate inside the hardcourt, be always sure of their next moves at huwag madaliin ang bawat tira. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Mark and Tin.
Thank you so much, Precious, for that update sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Huwag magmadali. Take their time in having their point advantage dito because they have the chance para malamangan itong ACLC Hawks. As what I said a while ago, we are locked to 21 here on our second quarter.
Now, ball possession of the ACLC Hawks here with 14 seconds to shoot. Wari loses that ball. That turnover for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Or, this is still the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks, pero the timeout was called here. 21 all. We only have 8 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. We will be back para sa ating pagpapatuloy ng second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we're back here on our second quarter with 8 minutes and 5 remaining. We are locked to 21 dito sa laban ng ACLC Hawks at UNC Greyhounds on the Juniors Division of Bucal Season 6.
Now, doon na sa ating first quarter na pag-usapan natin kanina, Mark, napakaganda ng defense na ipinapakita dito ang ating dalawang kunan. And doon sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter, mas pinagigihan pa nitong UNC as well as the ACLC yung kanilang opensa at yung depensa nila. Now, with that ball possession of the ACLC Hawks, another point was given here courtesy of jersey number 10, Razon of the ACLC.
Now, UNC's basketball, but a steal coming from our ACLC Hawks. A back-to-back steal of this both teams din. Grabe. Grabe yung pinapakitang determination at agility netong dalawang grupo ngayon Now for that 2-point opportunity, no good on that.
Now ball possession of the ACLC Hawks now. On the inside, Basagre.
Good!
Fast break on that one on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Ang ganda nung layup na yun ni Basagre. Now, UNC's basketball, medyo nahihirapan sila because of the defense na pinapakita ng ating ACLC Hawks. Communicating with their members.
Now
Martinez.
Whistle foul there.
The ball will remain on the UNC Greyhounds. Now, we have Martinez to inbound. But there are a couple of substitutions right here. We have Galano to play on the UNC Greyhounds. Medyo gitgitan po ang nangyayari on this quarter. And tawagan nga ng foul si jersey number 7 of the ACLC Hawks. That's so we have jersey number 0 on the free throw line. That's Alano. That will be given 2 free throw shots.
Now Alano still on the free throw line here for his second attempt. 21-25. 4 na puntos ang hawak ngayon ng ACLC Hawks sa ating second quarter. Now Alano. Second free throw for the UNC Greyhounds. That's good.
Now ACLC's basketball. Sandigan looking for his teammate. Passes to Basagre. Basagre for 3. No good on that.
And the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds now. Chance for them here to tie the game. Now, jersey number 23, Galano. And the ball for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now passes on the inside, Alano. Now, jersey number 24, Gropat. With that, 2 points.
That's good. Now ACLC's ball. Sandigan holding the ball right now. Passes to jersey number 7 to 3. Going the ball back to Sandigan. Sinusuong. At bibigyan nga ng 2 free throw shots itong si Sandigan because of a foul committed by Alano of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, 1-point lead of the ACLC Hawks. And Sandigan on the free throw line can give them an advantage here for our second quarter.
Medyo humahabol ng paunti-unti itong ating UNC Greyhounds because of their 2-point shots na ginagawa ng mga players na nandito sa loob ng court.
Now, Sandigan for his second free throw here. 6 minutes and 14 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half.
No good on that. And the ball will remain on the ACLC Hawks. Now a couple of substitutions was made on the side of the Hawks. Now Ontolan to inbound. Passes to jersey number 10. To Basagre. Going it back to Razon. To Basagre again. Basagre. To jersey number 30 for the 3. No good on that.
Now UNC on the run here. Jersey number 23, Galano now. Passes here. That's good para dito kay jersey number 2, Reyes.
And then we are locked again on 26 as of the moment. Ano naman kayang gagawin na panibagong strategy ni ACLC Hawks para mas lalong makalamang dito sa UNC Greyhounds?
Yes, yun nga Mark, walang gustong maiwan dito sa ating second quarter. Now, Gurubat or Galano, I mean, passes that ball to Gurubat. Nahihirapan sa baba. sayang yun para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. But still, para dito kay Galano, tries for a tip three, no good. Offensive rebound on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, 15 seconds to shoot. They need to take their time here. Galano passes to Alano. No good.
Now, ball possession na ng ating ACLC Hawks. Basagre. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Communicating with his teammate. Turen Pilio. No good on that.
We are still on 26 all. Sayang yun para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds na on the run. Basagre. 19 seconds to shoot for the ACLC Guarin. Free throws will be given to him after that whistled foul.
So 2 free throws will be given to Guarin of the ACLC Hawks. Kasi as of this moment, we are locked to 26. And pareho sila 10 na may tatlong foul as of this moment.
Yes. Tatlong team foul.
Mhm.
Now Guarin.
No good. Now let's see on this last free throw shot kung makakapasok ba at magkakaroon ng point advantage ng ACLC Hawks. And that's good! 27-26 at nagpatawag nga ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds because of that point advantage ng ating ACLC Hawks with 1 point. Grabe yung ginagawang eksena ng dalawang teams dito sa ADNU Gymnasium ngayong hapon.
Yes, Mark, as we can see, grabe yung ipinapakita dito ng ACLC and UNC at nasabi nga natin kanina na ayaw magpatalo nitong ating dalawang kupunan at hindi talaga sila napag-iiwanan. Kaya napakagandang laban yung ating napapanood ngayon dahil 1 puntos, 2 puntos lang yung nalalamang nung kada kupunan and talagang hinahabol ng UNC man or ng ACLC Hawks and with the support of their fans na live po andito sa ating Ateneo Gymnasium, talagang mas nadadagdagan yung determinasyon nitong ating mga kupunan para makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito.
At for sure, Tin, na todo suporta din yung mga online viewers natin for the supporters ng UNC at ACLC through our live coverage sa Oragon Sports TV, 1 Media TV 48 Naga at Bucal Facebook pages. So don't forget to like and follow them. Our Facebook pages para updated kayo sa mga kaganapan dito sa Bucal Season 6.
Yes, and with that, Mark, shoutout tayo dito sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Thea Menes, Jane Arbo, kay Benji Dorante at kay Raiza Abyog Elopre na nanonood sa ating live sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay.
Thank you so much for watching Bucal Season 6. Now, back to the ball game. Ball possession ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now, jersey number 17 now.
No
Great
good.
steal from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Hindi naging maganda yung communication nitong ating mga UNC players between Samurin and Galano. Ayan na. They need to compose themselves dahil second quarter pa lamang tayo pero nainipit na tuloy yung laban itong ating UNC and ACLC.
Now we have Ren Pilio on the free throw line. And that will add 1 point on the score of the ACLC Hawks, 28-26. Let's see if madaragdagan pa ng 1 puntos ang kanilang koponan. And on cue, that's good.
Now, Galano with the ball. Magbangbakan dito. Gurubat, papasok sa loob, but a whistle foul there. So he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 26-29. We are now down to the last 4 minutes and 14 seconds of our first half of this matchup of the ACLC and UNC. No good doon sa unang free throw na binitawan dito ni Gurubat. Let's see on that second attempt to lessen that 3-point gap of the ACLC Hawks.
They must not lose this opportunity para makahabol sila sa score at kalamangan ng ACLC Hawks. And a steal! No good on that. Now the ball. Well, now on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Basagre to inbound. Renpilio holding the ball, communicating with his teammates. Renpilio to Basagre. Basagre to jersey number 10. No good on that. Offensive rebound. No good.
Nagkakautuan na ng bola.
Mhm.
And it will be the UNC's basketball at this moment. They have the chance here to take on the lead against the ACLC Hawks. Now, Agnas to inbound. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining.
Isa sa mga rason natin kaya medyo nahihirapan tong dalawang koponan natin para magkaroon ng point advantage because of the defense na kanilang ipinapakita ngayon. And on this moment, a steal coming from our ACLC Hawks. No good on that. But there's a commotion out here. Nagagawan sila ng bola.
Pisikalan talaga kung pisikalan itong laro ng ACLC at UNC. Now, 9 seconds on the shot clock of the ACLC Hawks. And with that, napatawag nga ng timeout itong ating ACLC Hawks na may 3 puntos na hawak ngayon against the UNC Greyhounds. And nasabi mo nga kanina, Mark, na grabe yung depensa ang ipinapakita dito ng ating dalawang kupunan na talagang nahihirapan sila na makakuha ng putos dahil kada hawak na yung bola, talagang sinisigurado ng UNC man o ng ACLC Hawks na hindi makapuntos itong kanilang mga kalaban. And kahit nga hindi masyadong pantay yung kanilang mga height, talagang nagbabakbakan sila sa kanilang lakas na talaga namang napakagandang panoodin po ngayong hapon nito.
Saka kumbaga hindi, kumbaga ang iniisip ngayon ng ACLC Hawks, hindi advantage yung height ng UNC para hindi sila magkaroon ng point advantage. And at this moment, sila pa ang may 3-point lead on our second quarter with 3 minutes and 26 remaining.
And because of that, Mark, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, Digital Graphics, and our Bucal sponsors. We have Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Habayanas, and Noe & Sons Training and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
At pasalamatan din natin ang Pocari Sweat at 3GX ICT Solutions for sponsoring our Bucal Season 6. Thank you so much po. Now, back to the ball game. ACLC's basketball. We have Renpilio to inbound. For that 3, no good on that.
Now,
A steal from our ACLC Hawks. Sandigan passes to Basagre. Passes to Renpilio. Renpilio nagmamadali. Passes. No good on that. Another offensive rebound. No good. Grabe. Grabe yung agility na ipinapakita ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. Talagang ayaw nilang ibigay sa UNC Greyhounds ang puntos. Now they have 3 seconds to shoot.
Now, chance here for the UNC Greyhounds. Galano ngayon, may hawak ng bola. 2 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Galano again, passes on the inside here. Nakikipagpakpakan Agnas for 3. In and out ball, but Reyes was there. And the whistle foul.
Sayang yung in and out ball na yun din kanina ni jersey number 9 of
Now Agnas will be on, or Reyes rather, will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Both teams are now on the penalty para dito sa ating second quarter. 26-29. Now, for the second attempt of Reyes, kailangan niya na itong mapasok para mabawasan yung kalabangan na hawak ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks.
Kasi as of the moment din, hindi pa gumagalaw ang ating scoreboard. We are stuck in 29-26. Pero parang babaguhin ito ng ACLC Hawks with a 2-point shot courtesy of jersey number 3, Basagre.
Now, ano kayang gagawin ngayon ng UNC Elano? Passes now to Reyes. Now, Podcast with 16 seconds to shoot here. Grabe. Mahigpit yung depensa ngayon ng ACLC Hawks. Nahihirapan dito si Andas. We only have 8 seconds on the shot clock. Galano ngayon. Papasok sa loob with that layup. Alintana. Napaka-smooth lang ng pasok niya. Doon sa ibaba ng ring against the ACLC Hawks.
Now, Renpilio nagdadala ng bola. Passes to jersey number 20. Binalik kay Basagre. Binalik kay Renpilio. No good on that.
UNC umaasa ditong makuha yung puntos at mabawasan yung kalamangan against the ACLC Hawks, pero hindi sila nagtagumpay. So we'll take over again for the side of the ACLC Hawks. 28-31. Napakabilis lang po nitong ating second quarter. At meron na lamang po tayong natitirang 1 minute and 30 seconds sa ating first half. Now it's the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks.
We have Sandigan. Sandigan passes the ball to Basagre. Basagre to Lagundi. Basagre. That's good. Courtesy of jersey number 18. That's Kakayuran.
Pero quick to agad para dito kay Lagundi ng ACLC Hawks. Napakaganda ng mga offensive side nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Hindi nila pinapabayaan yung bola. But on the other side, hindi nga nagtagumpay dito si Gorowan para makakuha ng puntos. At Basagre diretso sa loob. Wari without rebound. Pero meron ng tawag dito yung foul natin o yung ating mga referees.
Kailangan pakaingatan nila sa mga oras na ito dahil both teams is on the penalty situation. We have 43.29 seconds remaining. 35-28. Lamang po ang ating ACLC Hawks. And an additional 1 point will be added on them. We have Basagre on the free throw line. Let's see if the ACLC Hawks will be consistent on their actions, on their strategies, on their tactics sa second quarter, sa second half ng ating laro ngayong hapon.
Now, UNC, Gorobat passes now to Alano. 13 seconds to shoot. Gorobat on the inside. That's good. Now, 7 puntos ang hawak ngayon ng ACLC Hawks with the last 22 seconds of our first half.
Now, Padayaw passes to Mase for 3. No good on that. Offensive rebound. A steal from the UNC Greyhounds. Libre. That's good. Courtesy of jersey number 23. That's Galano. And that ends our first half of the game. 37-32 po ang ating nasalaan. We'll be right back for the second half of our game dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
And now we're back dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa second half ng larong UNC Greyhounds versus ACLC Hawks. 37-32 po ang iniwan natin sa first half. Lamang po ng 5 puntos ang ating ACLC Hawks.
Now ball possession of the ACLC Hawks now. Here's number 5. That's Sunday. Now look at me. Ibigay dito kay Bautista. No good. Masakre. Full masakre chance point. Nakita mo yung mark. Lumilitan. Itong si Masakre para makuha lamang yung puntos na yan. A good start para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks sa ating third quarter.
Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball. Let's see if babawi ba dito itong Greyhounds for this second half of the game.
Now, 16 seconds to shoot here on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Pushing foul was called here. Jersey number 6.
Now, Salanga to inbound. Passes to jersey number 23, Galano. Galano heavily guarded. Maghanap ng kakampi, nagmamadali for that 2-point opportunity but no good on that.
Now bien, passes to Bautista. 32-39, 7-point lead here. Now passes to Basagre. 15 seconds again. No good offensive rebound. Pero that ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Eager natin na manalo itong ACLC Hawks on this game between the UNC Greyhounds now. Jersey, number 16, passes. But that's out of bounds. Kaya ang bola ay mapupunta na ngayon sa ating ACLC Hawks.
Now doon na sa ating first half mark, napakaganda ng performance ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Hindi nga talaga nagpaiwan at hindi din talaga lumalamang ng sobrang laki itong ACLC Hawks. But as of now, Galano on the run to get this shot. No good.
No good on that. Now, ACLC Hawks.
Side of the UNC Greyhounds. Galano ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. Passes now to Alano, getting that point here. Lessening that gap against the ACLC Hawks at 5 puntos na lamang yung kanilang hinahabol nila.
Bumabawi na ang UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating quarter. At sunod-sunod din ang steal nitong UNC Greyhounds natin this afternoon.
Mark, at para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACLC Hawks, tawagin natin si Zai. Hi Zai, any updates? Yan, babalikan natin mamaya si Zai. Dyan sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. But now, Bautista with the ball. Passes down to Laguni with 14 seconds to shoot. Tries for dip 3, no good.
And I think, ready na ang ating courtside reporter mula sa ACLC Hawks. Let's welcome again Zai. Zai, what's the update there?
Opponent na this time, they have to communicate more sa loob ng court. Because as important as strategizing, we can't deny the fact that napaka-importante din ng team chemistry. That's why as we enter the third quarter with high hopes, they plan to initiate an inbound gameplay, trying to initiate fast break if ever they have the chance to, and reduce their 3-point play. They're trying to protect the third quarter. Kaya I'll see you in a while, and let's keep cheering on the ACLC Hawks. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai, with that update. Now, the ACLC Hawks still on the run para dito at para makakuha ng mas malaking kalamangan against the UNC Greyhounds. And now, 34-42 an hour scoreboard. UNC's basketball will steal on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, jersey number 29, handling the ball. Now, passes to Laguni for a 3-pointer.
No good. Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball. At para makahingi tayo din ng update mula sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds kung ano bang paghahanda at strategy ang kanilang gagawin for the second half. Let's welcome our courtside reporter, Precious. Precious, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Mark and team. As we're moving forward to the last buzzer, the UNC Greyhounds came
Cruz. Ayan na. Bibitawan din ng ating UNC Greyhounds yung pag-asa na makuha nila yung kanilang unang panalo for this season of Bucal. So let's see. In this journey of the ACLC Hawks and the UNC Greyhounds will go home as the winner for this matchup. And now, Laguti passes down to jersey number 10. No good. Now, defensive rebound from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, Galano.
Now, Galano. Let's see din, sabi mo kanina, let's see kung ito ang unang panalo ng ating UNC Greyhounds because hindi naman nagkakalayo ang score netong dalawang koponan natin ngayong hapon. 42-36 na po ang ating nasa scoreboard. Lamang po ang ating ACLC Hawks.
Now it's the ball possession of the UNC or the ACLC Hawks rather. Nasa kanila pa rin yung 6 na puntos na kalamangan dito. Now jersey number 29, Padayaw. Wala po. 20 seconds to shoot here for the ACLC Hawks. Now passes to Laguti. At hindi nga dyan nagkaroon ng miscommunication dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. So it's here over for the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
UNC Greyhounds nagmamadali si jersey number 17, Samurin. Now turnover sa ating ACLC Hawks.
Now we're halfway through our third quarter mark. Both teams are still determined here to get this win. Nakayusan. Now heavily guarded here, double team. Kung kaya naman, still from Gorobat, itong ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now Galano, but out of bounds. And magkakaroon ulit din ng turnover dito.
Yan na, medyo nagmamadali na itong ating dalawang kupunan. And yung kailangan nila dito is to make sure na yung ball ang hawak nila. And magkakaroon ng puntos at the end of this ball possession. Now, jersey number 20, Sandigan. Passes now to Masagre, back to Sandigan. Now, 29 for 3. That's good.
Wow.
Para dito kay Padayaw.
That's a good 3-point shot mula kay Padayaw. Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball. Gorobat. No good. And another turnover. Sa mga oras na ito, medyo nahihirapan ang UNC Greyhounds na mag-strategize, makipag-communicate sa kanilang team members as of the moment because of the defense na ginagawa nitong ACLC Hawks. And on the other side, ang opensa na ginagawa ng ACLC Hawks ay epektibo kahit na sabi nga natin kanino on our first half, may height advantage itong UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Mark, as we can see, it's the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. They have the chance here to gain a point against that big lead of the ACLC Hawks. Now, jersey number 17, Samurin, passes now. And back to Samurin, and the steal from the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Now, Basagre. Basagre to jersey number 18. To 20. Going it back to Basagre. At bibigyan ng dalawang free throw shots itong si Basagre because of a foul committed by a player of the UNC Greyhounds. Ito yung dapat iwasan natin ng UNC Greyhounds, itong mga foul and turnovers na nakocommit nila hanggang ngayon because it may be the reason kung bakit hindi umaabante ang kanilang puntos as of this moment.
Now, Basagre, second free throw, that's good. At dahil dyan, 10 points na po ang hawak ngayon ng ACLC Hawks kontra sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, UNC's basketball, jersey number 17 passes to Alano. Now, Reyes, yung hawak ngayon ng bola. 15 seconds to shoot here. Alano, heavily guarded, double team here. Reyes passes now. Jersey number 27, Hermosa. Now on the corner, what will they do now? Naubusan na nga ng oras para dito sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Para steal coming from Hermosa. Getting that 3 points.
That's good! Ang gandang 3 points ang ipinakita ni Hermosa on that moment.
Pero itama lang natin Mark, it's Samurin rather than Hermosa. Samurin with that 3-pointer.
Now, ACLC's basketball. Jersey number 29 on the 3 points. Badayaw. Grabe. Nagsasagutan na itong dalawang koponan natin ngayong hapotin.
Yes. Hindi talaga nagpawat yung ACLC. Talagang sinagot nila yung trust dito ni Somorin on the side of the UNC warehouse. And now, still at that point lead here. At lamang pa rin po ang ating ACLC Hawks sa ating third quarter. And we only have 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Mahaba-haba pa yung bakbakan na ating mapapanood between these two teams.
Now, ACLC's basketball. Basagre to inbound. Looking for his teammate. Razon. Bring it back to Basagre for 3. No good on that.
Now, Somorin with that rebound. 20 seconds to shoot. Hermosa. Guarded here, passes to Somorin, back to Hermosa. Ayun, ano kayong gagawin nila with only 7 seconds on the shot clock. Alano, double team, loses that ball. Nakikipagkagawan dito.
ACLC's basketball. Badayaw. With jersey number 8 to Basagre. Basagre. With jersey number 20 to Badayaw. Again, a 3-point shot. Grabe. Sa quarter na ito, nakakadalawa na si Badayaw na 3-point shot for the ACLC Hawks.
Now, a good third quarter coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks. And not 12 points na. Yung hawak dito ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, ano kaya yung gagawin adjustment ng UNC Warehouse to lessen that gap against the ACLC? Now, jersey number 4 with the ball. Now passes to Somorin. 16 seconds to shoot here. Zamora or Hermosa. No good.
Now, ACLC's basketball. Ontolan. No good. At mabibigyan nga ng dalawang free throws si Ontolan because jersey number 18, Menace of the UNC Greyhounds, committed a foul. Now, let's see kung itataas pa ba ng ACLC Hawks ang kalamangan. And on cue, adding 1 point to their score. 53-39 na po ang ating nasa scoreboard with 1 minute and 57 remaining on our third quarter. That's good again.
Now, as the UNC's basketball. So he passes now to Menace. At yun, meron lang sa 15 seconds to shoot here. Double beat gap inside of the ACLC. Grabe yung depensa dito ng ating ACLC now. What will they do with the remaining shot clock on their team? Hermosa. Hirapan doon sa depensa ng ACLC Hawks. Medyo hindi na nga nakakagalaw yung mga players ng UNC dahil grabe nilang bantayan nitong mga taga-ACLC, itong ating UNC Greyhounds. And Mark, we only have 1 minute and 33 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Napakabilis lang ng ating oras. And Galano will be back on the court in exchange of Hermosa.
Now, nakikita natin dito din na grabe yung depensang ipinapakita ng ACLC Hawks para hindi makapuntos ito ang ating UNC Greyhounds because medyo nahihirapan silang magkaroon ng puntos as of this moment.
Now, Reyes, 5 seconds to shoot here. No good. But a whistle foul there. Foul was committed to jersey number 8 of the ACLC Hawks, Piet.
Now, let's see. Titignan natin dito din kung talagang makakabawi ang ating UNC Greyhounds sa kalamangan na dala nitong ACLC Hawks. Now, we have Somorin have someone in there to inbound.
Now it's still the UNC's basketball with 13 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 17, Masi.
No good on that. Now ACLC's basketball. Medyo napasobra yung hagis, yung pasa. Now the ball will still remain on the ACLC Hawks. Now, Mase to inbound. Passes to Razon. Razon passes to jersey number 6, Ontolan. To Padayaw. Padayaw for 3. No good on that.
Now UNC's basketball taking up their time here. Now on the corner with 14 seconds to shoot here, Reyes. Whistled foul, so he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots there. Both teams are now on the penalty. 39-54, napako na nga tayo sa score na yan dito sa ating third quarter. Remaining time of 42 seconds. And still on the lead, itong ating ACLC Hawks. Now Reyes on the free throw line for 2 shots here. And shoutout tayo, Mark, dito kay John Carlos Sarion Mamanong, Christian D. Salazar, John Tyron Menes, Vitalicio RJ at kay Jos Gabriel Bronyosa na nanonood sa atin ng live sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay.
Thank you so much po. Don't forget to like and follow the official Facebook pages of Bucal, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. And also subscribe sa YouTube channel ng One Media TV 48 Naga for more updates and action-packed series in Bucal Season 6. Now, no good on that. A steal from the ACLC Hawks on Tolan. No good.
Grabe na pisikalan na itong UNC and ACLC. Lakas yung pinapakita nila dito. But as of this moment, it's the UNC's basketball with only 18 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Last ball possession for this quarter, 41-54. Big 13-point lead coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now Reyes on the free throw line for 2 shots. The UNC needed this. Pero sablay yung unang free throw attempt dito ni Reyes. Now still on the free throw line para makakuha ng isang bonus free throw. Reyes, that's good. Now chance for the ACLC Hawks with the last 16 seconds of our third quarter.
Now Mase passes the ball to Padayaw. Padayaw bring it back to Mase. No good on that. UNC Greyhounds basketball, libreng-libre. That's good. Courtesy of jersey number 23. That's Galano. And that ends our third quarter sa labang ACLC at UNC. 54-44, 10-point lead ang kailangang habulin ng ating UNC Greyhounds. We'll be right back for the fourth and crucial quarter of this game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Now, sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter, titignan natin will it be the ACLC Hawks or the UNC Girls that will take up the win this afternoon. At doon sa ating last sequence, the ACLC Hawks gets that 2 points. Now, chance here for the UNC but still from the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Now, Padayaw holding the ball. At naitaas nga sa 12 puntos na kalamangan ang ACLC. 4-3, no good. Offensive rebound, no good again. At nag-aagawan na nga ng bola. Nagkakapisikala na dito din sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium because we are now on the 4th and crucial quarter of this game. Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball.
Jersey number 17 now, Samurin. Passes to Menes. Back to Samurin. 20 seconds to shoot here for the UNC Girls. Passes now to Galano. Taking up their time here as we're now down to 10 seconds on the shot clock. Galano blocked by Lagundi. Now is still from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Lagundi ngayon di diretso.
No good on that. Offensive rebound. Padayaw passes to jersey number 8, PN. At nag-aagawan nga po ng bola as of this moment ang 4 na players ng both teams. Grabe. Ayaw patinag nitong dalawang kupunan natin ngayong hapon because they want to win. UNC wants to take the lead because as what we said a while ago, si UNC Greyhounds ay wala pang nauuwi ni isang panalo on this Bucal Season 6. And para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, let's welcome our courtside reporter, Precious. Precious, what's the update?
Patuloy pa rin tayong nakatutok sa Liga ng mga Kampiyon. At papalapit na ng papalapit na matunghayan kung sino ang uuwing wagi ngayong hapon between the UNC Greyhounds versus the ACLC Hawks. The way you think dictates your next move. Yan ang pinangahawakan ng ating UNC Greyhounds na mas pinapalakas ang kumpiyansa sa sarili na kahit anumang mangyari, nasa sa kanila ang bola. But then again, the game clock is still on. So let's continue to support the team. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious. Ayun nga. We're still continuing this game. And hindi pa tapos yung laban para dito sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
But we are having a commotion right now sa kung ano ang nangyari kani-kanina lang sa UNC Greyhounds at ACLC Hawks.
Ayan nga, Mark. And as of this moment, 12 points na nga yung ating hawak dito. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACLC Hawks, let's hear it from Zai. Hi, Zai! Update natin dyan.
Mark and Tin, we are entering the fourth quarter strong, standing with resiliency and determination. The Hawks have finally able to bring back their passion. All they have to do now is either maintain their momentum or improve it even more. Talagang kapanapanabik ang mga pangyayari dito sa loob ng court, kaya stay tuned lamang sa ating broadcast quarters and watch the victors of the skies conquer the highest grounds. That's all I have for now. Mark and Tin, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, hinihintay po natin ang desisyon ng ating officials kung kanino po mapupunta ang bola as of this moment.
At habang hinihintay natin, Mark, yung decision dito ng ating mga officials, shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers dito. Shoutout kay Mac Bonot, John Paul Salazar, at kay Christina Valenzuela. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
And as what the officials decided, sa ACLC Hawks ang bola. Now, Padayaw passes to Basagre. Basagre for jersey number 8, PN for that 2-point shot.
Now, UNC's on the run now. Jersey number 4, Sunga passes. Hindi ka na mawala yung bola dito kay Sunga. 12 seconds to shoot here. Now, 10 seconds. UNC still struggling here to get a point. Galano, no good. Nakakagawa ng bola. Offensive rebound. Sunga now with the ball. Pero, Morin gets that. ACLC now on the run here. Basacre getting inside. No good.
Now, UNC's basketball. Reyes. A steal coming from our ACLC Hawks. Guarin. No good on that. Offensive rebound and a 2-point shot was added courtesy of Basagre.
Now, Sunga. Foul was whistled here.
Now the ball will still remain on the UNC.
Samorin to inbound. 44-60. Napapalayo na nga yung puntos dito ng ACLC Hawks against the UNC Greyhounds. 7 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Now Samorin to inbound. Now, passes here. Loses the ball, but it will stay on their side. 16 seconds to shoot here. Galano with the ball. What will they do now with that big gap of the ACLC Hawks? Hindi ka na mawala. Back to Samorin. Tries for 3. In and out ball.
Now, Padayaw passes to Basagre. Basagre passes to Bien. Passes to jersey number 2. No good on that.
Sa UNC nga, mapupunta yung bola. 7-minute mark of our last quarter here. Samorin going inside for that 2 points. That's good.
Now, here's Lagundi. Passes to Padayaw. Padayaw communicating with his teammates. Ano kayang gagawin para masano makalamang? Basagre. Basagre susuungin ang depensa ng UNC Greyhounds, adding 2 points on their team.
Now, dire-diretso lang yung pagpuntos dito ng ating ACLC Hawks at hindi talaga nilalintan na yung guardian ng mga UNC Greyhounds. Well, on the other side, the UNC Greyhounds still struggling dahil nga napakahigpit ng depensa dito ng ACLC Hawks. Pero on that last sequence, nakakuha nga ng puntos itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Let's look at that gap of the ACLC Hawks.
Now, Padayaw passes to jersey number 14. Bring it back to Padayaw. Passes to Basagre. Bring it back. Lagundi. Lagundi with the ball. At naubusan nga sila ng shot clock on that moment.
Now, Alano will be back on the side of the UNC Greyhounds here. 5 minutes and 51 seconds remaining. 48-62 on our scoreboard. Now, Galano with the ball. What will the UNC do at this moment? Alano passes now to Guruban.
No good.
A whistle foul there. Laguni. Natawagan dito ng pushing foul. Now, on the free throw line, or it's the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds.
Ayan, Tin. Now, UNC's basketball. Medyo nahihirapan talaga sila sa depensang taglay nitong ACLC Hawks. But, a 2-point shot courtesy of jersey number 17, that's Samorin.
Now, ACLC Hawks on the run now with 12 big points. Nakalabangan against the UNC Greyhounds. Basagre passes to Sandigan. 10 seconds to shoot here. Basagre again. Pinalitan ng papasok sa loob. And the ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 7 seconds on the shot clock.
Now, Padayaw to inbound. That's good, courtesy of Razon from the ACLC Hawks. 64 rather, 50.
Now, the UNC rebounds. Samurin. No good. Alano with that offensive rebound. Grabe yung defense again. So that still from the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Basagre. And the ball will still remain on the side of the ACLC Hawks. At now we have Sandigan. Padayo that for 3. No good on that. Medyo napasobra, but offensive rebound. No good. Now UNC's basketball, Alano. Alano passes the ball to Galano. Galano nagmamadali. Sinusung ang gwardiya. But a block. A back-to-back steal from both teams. At natawagan nga.
And now, seconds. Free throw line ngayon si Reyes. 50-64 on our scoreboard. 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. No good on that first. Reyes again on the free throw line for the second attempt. No good. Nawalano for the offensive rebound. Di diretso.
Now we have Alano on the free throw line. That's good. 64-51. At nasa penalty situation na ang ating ACLC Hawks as of this moment with 4 minutes and 3 remaining on our time.
Alano gets that three-pointer. Nabawasan dito yung kalabangan ng ACLC Hawks dahil naibaba na nga po sa 10. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining in our fourth quarter.
Now,
Sandiga now passes to Padayaw.
no good on that.
Now Samurin, there's still a gap on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
Padayaw passes to Sandigan. Sandigan to Basagre. Basagre for that 2 points. No good. Pero bibigyan nga si Basagre ng dalawang free throw shot because of a foul committed by a player of the UNC Greyhounds.
Nasa penalty na nga itong ating ACLC Hawks. At napakadali na lang ng ating 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Pero itong 10 puntos na kalamangan ng ACLC Hawks maaari pang maibaba ng UNC Greyhounds kung talagang pag-iigihan nila dito yung kanilang depensa against the Hawks. Dahil nga kung makikita mo, Mark, kanina pa ito napakaganda ng depensa yung pinapakita nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Double team con double team para dito sa mga players ng ating UNC Greyhounds. But now, nagkakagawa ng bola dito. But this time, it's the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. And at this point, they have the chance here to lessen that gap. Dahil naipunta na nga nila sa 10. At may chance pa na maibaba sa isang digit na lamang na kalabangan.
Dahil
Galano, 14 seconds to shoot here. Going inside, tries. No good.
now ACLC's ball. Rempilio naghahanap ng kakampi, communicating to his teammates. Basagre, Rempilio again for the 3. No good on that. Now UNC's basketball.
Now chance for them. Samurin libre. para mabuwasan yung kalamangan dito ng ACLC Hawks. And with that, mapapatawag nga ng timeout itong ating ACLC Hawks dahil yung kaninang 14 points na pinagtrabahuhan ng ACLC Hawks. Ngayon na ibaba na lamang po sa 8 kaya malaking bagay po ito sa ating ACLC Hawks dahil meron na lamang tayong 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Kaya titingnan natin kung ano nga ba yung mangyayari sa mga susunod na minuto nitong laro ng ACLC and UNC Greyhounds.
Medyo mababa pa itong 2 minutes and 33 kasi on the other games ngayong araw, medyo nagkakadikit-dikit yung mga scores ng ating mga teams na naglaban-laban. And we'll see if magkakadikit din ang final score nitong ating UNC Greyhounds at ACLC Hawks.
Yes, kaya naman kaabang-abang to para sa mga fans ko ng mga UNC and ACLC Hawks. Kaya abang-abang lang po tayo. Napakaganda ng mga naging laro natin simula pa kaninang umaga up until now. At mamaya po, abangan niyo po ang ating last game. It's the Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the CSPC Blue Stallions para sa ating Seniors Division. Napakagandang laban din po ang mapapanood natin mamaya bago pa magtapos itong ating linggo ng Bucal Season 6. At sa susunod pong linggo, abangan po natin ang mga exciting na laro po ng magagaling na teams dito sa ating Bucal Season 6.
Dahil mas exciting pa yan because next week, sa Martes, partner, 10 ay October na. So for sure na marami tayong aabangan dito sa Bucal Season 6. Lalo na papalapit na ang quarterfinals natin. Now, back to the ball game. ACL6 basketball. Padayaw passes to Sandigan. Sandigan to Basagre. Basagre naghanap ng kakampi. Padayaw for the 3. No good on that. Offensive rebound. No good.
Now still from the side of the UNC Greyhounds here. 56-64. Now Alano, di diretso. Passes now to his teammate. That's good. And with that, Mark, napakaganda dahil 6 na putos na lamang po pababa na ng pababa yung kalamangan na hinahabol dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
At nagiging energetic na ang ating mga audiences dito sa ADNU Gymnasium because of the scores na ating nakikita sa larong ito with 64-58. ACLC for that 3 points courtesy of Basagre. Grabe. Kanina pa to si Basagre. Simula nung first quarter. Grabe yung tulong niya para magkaroon ng ganitong puntos ang ACLC Hawks.
Yes, binawi agad yung 4 na puntos na nakuha dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. And now, Reyes tries for a mid-range jumper. No good. Offensive rebound. Reyes again will try. Wala pa rin. Now, ACLC gets that ball.
Now, Basagre. Sinuong ang depensa. No good again.
Now, UNC. Nagkakagawa dito ng bola. Let's see as Alana gets it and tries for big 3. No good.
Now, Bien passes the ball to Sandigan. At nagkakagulo na ang audiences dito sa ADNU Gymnasium dahil sa puntos natin at this moment. Now, jersey number 24, that 3, no good.
Now, whistle foul here. We only have 24 seconds remaining on our 4th quarter. 58-67.
At napatawag natin ang timeout ng UNC Greyhounds because of the point advantage na ginagawa ngayon netong ating ACLC Hawks.
At kung makikita mo, Mark, medyo malaki-laki yung kalamangan dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. Yung kanina na ibaba na natin sa 6. Bumalik-muli, tumaas muli itong kalamangan ng ACLC Hawks. Kaya sa meron tayong 24 seconds remaining sa ating last quarter, medyo mahihirapan itong ating UNC Greyhounds na maibaba yung kalamangan. But let's see pa rin kung ano nga ba yung gagawin dito para at least maganda pa rin yung pagtatapos ng laban ng ACLC Hawks and UNC Greyhounds.
At nakikita mo nga po, 10 sa audience natin sa parte ng UNC Greyhounds, nagkakagulo na sila because of that points na meron tayo on this fourth quarter with 24.78 seconds remaining. Nakakatuwa lang na nag-e-enjoy ang ating mga audience ngayon dito.
Now, Alano. That's good for his first free throw. 59-67. We only have 24 seconds remaining. Now, kailangan pong maipasok to ni Alano if they really want to lessen that gap of the ACLC Hawks and have a chance here with the only 24 seconds remaining.
Let's see. No good on that. Now, Pasagre. May hawak ng bola. Nagmamadali. Pinasa. A steal from the UNC Greyhounds on that three. No good. Stepping on the line. At nagtawag nga ng timeout ito ang ating ACLC Hawks because of that additional point na nangyari sa free throw shot ng isang player mula sa UNC Greyhounds.
Now 59-67, 8-point lead with only 9 seconds remaining. And I think we're just waiting for the confirmation of the winner this afternoon kasi medyo mahirap na mahabol yung 8 puntos. Meron na lamang tayong 9 na segundo para makita itong laban ng UNC and ACLC Hawks. Now let's see as the ACLC Hawks now on the penalty and still on the lead of 8 points.
Alam mo, Tin, naobserbahan ko ngayon dito sa ADNU Gymnasium na tuwang-tuwa pa rin ang UNC community kahit na medyo alanganin ng makabawi dito sa puntos na meron ang Hawks. At ang audiences naman ng ACLC ay nagbubunyi din dahil makakamit nila ang kampyonato ngayong hapon na ito.
Seconds remaining. ACLC on the lead now. Basagre now to inbound passes. Jersey number 8 yan. Pero pushing foul. This is so weird.
The ball will still remain thin sa ating ACLC Hawks. And nagpatawag nga ulit ng timeout. Etong ating ACLC Hawks, even if meron na lang tayong natitirang 7.73 seconds on our fourth and final quarter ng kanilang laro. And for sure na nagbubunyi na ang ating ACLC community because of this win na matatanggap nila ngayong hapon na ito.
7 seconds, 59-67. And I think the fans of the ACLC Hawks are really happy with this win this afternoon.
Kahit nasa penalty situation ng ACLC Hawks, hindi pa rin sila padadaig on this fourth quarter.
Now, Sandigan to inbound. 7 seconds here. Sandigan to inbound now. Now, hahanap dito papasahan. Basagre.
Basagre!
4 seconds remaining. Sandigan nila may hawak. And that's it, Mark. Napakalanan na nga natin ang panalo sa laban ng ACLC and UNC Greyhounds. It's the ACLC Hawks winning 59-67. At sa ating pagbabalik po, makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game. Only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Quarterfinals as they were once again able to prove their determination for today's game. Hindi natin mapagkakaila that all these players are talented and skilled. Pero nga naman, one of them shined brightly in today's game. That's why, everyone, I present to you our best player of the game, which is brought to you by ACLC Naga, which is absolutely free. I welcome you our best player of the game, John Bernard Basagre, with 15 points and 4 rebounds. Magandang araw, halika na dito. So, Basagre, kamusta naman ang nararamdaman mo as the best player of the game?
Una-una po, masaya, pero di pa po kontento sa ganun lang na laro po namin. Mas pagigihan pa po namin para sa susunod na mga laro po namin.
Kaya nga, nalata ako na medyo nahirapan kayo for today's game. So sa tingin mo, saan ba kayo nahirapan na part para sa larong ito?
Nahirapan lang po kami kasi kada isa sa amin walang communication sa loob. Tas nagsa-selfish basketball. Yun po.
Okay then. So, ano naman ang motivation mo para maging matatag during the most difficult game?
Nagpapatatag lang po talaga sa akin yung nanay ko, tas yung papa ko na todo support sa akin para nanonood pa dito.
Okay, so may gusto ko bang pasalamatan or school, your coaches, your teammates, or your friends?
Unang-una po gusto kong pasalamat kay Lord God. Binigyan kami ng panalong ngayon at sa NCF ay sa ACLC community kay Sir Adrian Litam, sa asawa niya po, sa mga magulang niya at sa mga coaches namin, kay Coach Diz at sa iba pang coaches staff. Pati po sa family ko, pati Papa Bernie nag-support, Nanay Lilia. Kay Ate Brenber sabi po.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, John Bernard, and congratulations. There we have it, our best player of the game, John Bernard Basagre, again with 15 points and 4 rebounds. That's why this is Shula Morizay Villano from the side of the ACLC Hawks, only here on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
And that's the best player of the game from the ACLC Hawks. That's jersey number 3, John Bernard Basagre with 15 points and 4 rebounds. Congratulations to our ACLC Hawks for that winning moment this afternoon, Tin.